welcome back to Nesa Reddy's Daily Vlogs. Today I plan to go somewhere very special, so I don't have enough time to cook or clean or do everything, so I just thought I'll have a cup of coffee. You guys think that I'm a beauty queen only because I put on makeup, right? Today I'll show you guys what all makeup I'll put in everyday life. So this is a moisturizer from Quetch and this is a lipstick from Lakme. So just wait and watch the end of the makeup. Ta-da! Makeup is completed. How did you guys like my look? This is how I get up and put on makeup every day. Now it's time to start. Let's go! I totally forgot that I have to burn calories today. After pressing the lift button itself, I realized staircase will take out or burn more calories than that. So here we are taking the staircase, and while going on the way, I saw this place wherein they said it's 100% pure honey. I asked him, are you sure, Bhaiya? He said, yeah, put it on your pants, ma'am. If it falls down without sticking onto your pant, then it is the right one. Oh my god, see what am I seeing on the road? It's a Thor rocks. I was so excited to see it on the road itself. I never thought I would see it so soon. And I have a special surprise on this. Wait for it. I'll let you guys know before the end of the video for sure. I was so excited to reach the Mahindra showroom. After that, I was wondering whether I'll get the test drive or not. Let's go inside and see whether we'll be able to get it or not. Wow! Such a wonder. This is the 8th wonder of the world. I was so excited to see. Hold on, you might have thought that I have given too much build-up, right? But trust me guys, whatever build-up I have given is too less. If you see the Thor, you will get to know why. Do you guys know why I opened up this? I wanted to show you that red color thing. You know what it is? That is my own design. Can't you believe it? Yes, that red color. Jokes and build-ups apart, and this is the camera which is linked to the ADAS. ADAS is Advanced Driver Assistance System. You might be thinking I'm smart, right? No, I just googled it. This is the boot space. 2 people can easily sleep here, and not people who are taller than me, guys. Only 5 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet people can fit in. I cannot because I'm 5'11", Yeah, not to brag. Okay, let's explore. Storage space or a glove box is quite small than all other cars. A movable armrest which is comfortable while driving. Also you can rest your hands. Sunroof, hold your horses to see the real one. Wait for it. This storage space is, I don't know, it's way too small compared to all other cars. Infotainment systems are good. AC wings are also cool. Rear view mirror is also cool. I don't know what they call this as. I call it as a makeup mirror, and yeah, it is also good with the airbags. While you're doing makeup, you don't have to worry because you have airbags. Ta-da! I really love to sit in front seat. Don't think that I can't drive. Definitely, if I get a chance today to do the test drive, I'll definitely do it. Let's see. I was just enjoying and embracing each and every moment with this Thorox. I feel like I might have fell in love with it. I can really feel it. If I ever get a chance to fall in love with Thorox and marry him, I wouldn't mind. Staring got a new logo, but I have a problem with my legs because I'm too tall, right? So that is the only part which I didn't like. Everything else really looks the modest and awesome and coolest. And even after adjusting the seat, I actually couldn't comfortably sit. Maybe I have to adjust the steering as well if I have to drive, because it hits my leg literally, it touches. I have very less space. If I have to turn around or something, I'll really feel problematic. And behind my seat also, if I move it to backside, the leg space was very less for me. I'm 5'11". I don't know about you. I know so many times I bragged it, but keep it to yourself. I just thought I'll show you guys the rear seat view. It is definitely comfortable, and also you have a hand rest and two cup holders so that you can comfortably sit. And the third person might feel weird, because that will be in between, if whoever sit next to you, or in between the place where the armrest is there. Rest all is fine. There are always a problem with everything, right? And also the boot, actually it's really different way to open the boot. First you have to open this and then the upper part of it. So you have a two doors for the boot. As I told earlier, yeah, two people who is 5'5" can sleep here comfortably. I cannot because I'm too tall. And also this is how you close it. First you have to close the upper part of the boot, and next you have to close the below part of the boot. It is actually different and looks actually nice, very cute and cool. Actually, I want this car. I literally feel like while waiting for the test drive, this guy actually offered me a coffee. I couldn't say no because it was free. Thank you, Mahindra, for your sweet coffee and also a water bottle. I was peacefully drinking a cup of coffee and suddenly this guy came, and I was so nervous and so mixed feelings, and then I realized it's our time to do the test drive. Yay! This is the car. Guys, do you remember while coming we saw one test drive car? This is it, guys. The car which I saw in the first time is the car which I'm gonna take it for a test drive. I was so excited. It was such a wonderful coincidence, I cannot say. I sat in the back seat, not because I don't know driving. Trust me guys, I can drive like all other girls. But I thought I will explore more of the car and also the sunroof. That is the only reason why. But I definitely know driving. Trust me guys. How is the panoramic sunroof, guys? Did you guys like it? It was so beautiful, isn't it? Two people can easily stand. I was so excited to see it, opening up. It was so beautiful. I wanted to go out and really explore how it is, but it was so beautiful even sitting inside and exploring it more. So let's go out! Ta-da! It was so nice. I was just imagining, if someone plays a beautiful song here and I'll hold a beer bottle. Alcohol consumption is not healthy. But I was just saying that I'll hold it. I didn't say I'll drink. This is the best part of Thorox. This is something I really loved in the Thorox. I can say only for this feature you can give 100 out of 100 for Thorox. I really loved it, and you can really enjoy more than ever in here. You can go out for trips, you can go out with your friends, you can have a Friday nights in car itself. You don't even have to go to pub. Guys, that is such a wonderful car. Now whatever leg space or whatever problem I have, totally forgot. I really want to take this home. I felt really so, guys, and we really went on an off-road ride, not just on the Bangalore road. Trust me, we went into some gullies and roadsides and all so on and so forth to just see how it actually goes and how is the suspension, and just to test that. I was so excited and I cannot go home without it. I'm feeling already weak and connected to this car. If they give it to me right now, I will definitely take it. I really wanted to go inside and ask him, but I don't want to go inside because I was enjoying here. First thing after this I would like to do is finding out the price, whether I'll be able to afford it or not. But whether or not I'll be able to afford, I really feel like I want it. Can anybody give me this, please? I don't mind taking gift. Let's see the capability of Thor in the off-road. Now we are entering to the worst road in Bangalore, which has so many holes, so much of mud, so many problems on the road. Let's see how the suspension actually works. I'm completely standing on the rooftop itself. Sunroof is so comfortable even when there are so many, uh, holes or humps or whatever it is. I'm not feeling anything. I'm so comfortable to stand. This is one of the best, and guys, you must buy it and you must take me on a ride for sure. Now let's observe the way it's going and the suspension, how it's actually so comfortable in driving, and I'll get back to you soon on that. Now we are going back and everything is fine, but I don't want to get down, but these people are forcing me to get down because some other client is waiting, it seems. That is so sad. No, they should at least let us explore more. Guys, if you like Thor, comment in the below. Thank you so much for watching so far. Please hit that like button. Please share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow.